Welcome to Cholon, Saigon's Chinatown. Here, the story of Vietnam and China stretches back over 2,000 years. You can see that shared past everywhere. In the language, the temples, the food, and even in the rhythm of the streets. As I set off through District 5, motorbikes growl past puddled streets and the market hums with voices, Cantonese, Teochew, and Vietnamese blending like a song of the city. This is a city within a city, vibrant, noisy, and deeply alive. Stop 1. Thien Temple. Thien Temple is dedicated to the goddess of the sea, protector of sailors and travelers. Crossing its red gate feels like stepping through time. Giant coils of incense hang from the ceiling, releasing slow spirals of smoke that curl toward the heavens. The walls glow in filtered sunlight, revealing porcelain dragons and ceramic figures frozen in motion, guardians of faith and legend. It's said that Thien rides the clouds and sea waves to rescue those in danger. Her birthday, on the 23rd day of the 3rd lunar month, transforms this courtyard into a festival of color, lion dances, drums, and the crackle of firecrackers echoing through the streets. Stop 2. Quan Âm Temple. A short walk away is Quan Âm Temple, built in 1816 by Chinese merchants from Fujian province. Through the red gate, I enter a small courtyard. Worshippers move quietly, some bowing with joss sticks clasped in both hands, others whispering prayers under their breath. Inside, flickering lights illuminate the face of Quan Âm, the goddess of mercy, calm, graceful, endlessly compassionate. Wooden statues of arhats, Buddhist saints, line the walls, each one carved with a different expression, as if caught mid-conversation. A peaceful garden pond reflects the tiled roofs, inviting a moment of stillness before returning to the streets outside. Stop 3. Chatham Church. Further along stands Chatham Church, founded in 1900 by Father Francis Xavier Tam Asu, a Chinese priest. From a distance, it looks like a European church, but step closer, the Chinese influence appears. Curved eaves, lacquered boards, pastel yellow walls, east and west in delicate balance. This church carries a dramatic story. In 1963, President Ngo Dinh Diem and his brother sought refuge here during a coup, only to meet their end soon after surrendering. Yet today, the church feels peaceful once again. Candles flicker beside the altar, and parishioners pray beneath the gaze of St. Francis Xavier. Stop 4. Binh Market. No visit to Cholon is complete without Binh Market, the beating heart of Chinatown. Built by a wealthy Chinese merchant, Oct''25, this sprawling complex mixes French colonial design with Chinese architecture. Upstairs, sunlight filters through the courtyard, painting the tiled floor in gold. It's loud, very local, and endlessly fascinating. Exactly what a market should be. Walking through Saigon's Chinatown is more than sightseeing. It's stepping into living history. Each temple, church, and market tells a story of migration, faith, and resilience. Amid the incense smoke and street noises, you feel how Vietnam's past and present intertwine, how cultures meet, blend, and keep moving forward. So if you find yourself in Ho Chi Minh City, take half a day, slow down, and let Cholon reveal itself. One street, one sound, one scent at a time.